Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got another how-to PC video for you. In this one we're going to talk about copying files to a flash drive. So let's say that you have some family members that you'd like to send photos to. You could burn a CD, sometimes that's the older way of doing things, or you could just go to Walmart and buy a small, 8, 16 gig flash drive, depending on how many photos you're needing to send. Plug in that flash drive, and I'll show you the process of how to get the photos over there. So you're going to open up your little manila folder at the bottom here, and you can see your computer's normally divided out like this, and it's going to have some very similar folders to mine, but of course the one that we're looking for is going to be the pictures folder. So we're going to click on the pictures folder, and we're going to slide it to the side. Okay, so we're wanting to open one more window now. This is the pictures folder on the computer. If you right click on this manila folder again and click the folder again and slide this one over here, you can see where I have a flash drive plugged into the computer. So you can click on the flash drive. You can see that this flash drive is empty, but let's go ahead, make a folder and call it pictures. And this was a screenshot that I took for a different video of the Edge browser, but we're just going to say that it's a family photo. We're going to click and drag from the pictures folder on this computer to the pictures folder on the flash drive. And it's going to copy that information across. So if you look in this folder, now you see this picture is also on this flash drive. Whoops. So let's open back up the flash drive. Now let's say that you want to copy more than just the pictures. Let's go ahead and just move a lot of the information that we've got across. So here I have some unorganized pictures that are just stuck in the documents folder. This may be, for some users, a good way to store their information, just kind of all in one folder instead of dividing it out in the pictures and everything that's in this dynamically changing sidebar. But your documents folder is always going to be right here. And so, I've got a food folder and a health folder and some more. If we just want to back up all this information, we can left click and drag the mouse and highlight all of this information and do the same thing. Left click and hold it and drag it over to the flash drive. And when we let it go, it's going to copy all that information over to here. Depending on how many photos or how much data you're transferring from one to the other and the speed of your flash drive, it can take some time to copy between the two, and it'll have a little green bar that'll show you the amount of time it thinks it's going to take and how fast it's transferring. But that is how you copy information from your PC to a removable flash drive. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.